Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chicken cordon bleu bake. Hey guys, for this easy dinner recipe, we are taking kind of like a deconstructed approach to chicken cordon bleu, where we're not going to be stuffing the chicken and breading it and doing all of that fancy stuff. We're going to just layer it in a casserole dish and bake it in the oven. So I'm going to start with some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to lay them out in this casserole dish. And I'm actually going to fold them up a little bit just so they're all fit. Okay, so we're going to season these nicely with salt and pepper. And then the Dijon. I've got 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard here, and I'm just going to dab it on top of the chicken. Each chicken breast gets about, I don't know, a teaspoon or so. This is a super easy recipe. You can have it in the oven in less than 10 minutes. Now we're going to top the chicken with some deli ham. We've got 6 slices of deli ham. Just going to layer it on top. And now we've got 6 slices of Swiss cheese to layer on top. So we've got 6 servings here. This makes 6 servings of chicken cordon bleu. So now the final step is we're just going to sprinkle the pork rinds on top. Just going to sprinkle it in an even layer on top. You can use any pork rinds you want. You can use seasoned pork rinds, would be delicious. This is ready for the oven. It's going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. The internal temperature of the chicken is going to be 165, of course. Use an internal meat thermometer. Okay, our chicken cordon bleu bakes are out of the oven and they look so good. So I'm going to put one on this plate. So of course, with cooking any chicken dish, there's going to be liquid in the bottom of the casserole dish, so don't, just be aware of that. Don't be alarmed. It's normal. But look at that. Doesn't that look so good? Let's cut a bite. Ooh, the crispy pork rind topping. Nice and juicy on the inside. Oops. Let me get a bite. I love this because you get all of the chicken cordon bleu flavors without all of the work that is involved with traditional chicken cordon bleu. It's so good. You've got to try this recipe. Guys, be sure you check out this recipe that YouTube suggests that you will like. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.